All right, so we're back with another video, and I'm gonna do this is a Five Below find. This is the birthday cake baking kit, cast iron skillet, and birthday cake mix. So, first time, let's unbox it and see what's all we need. Come with any instructions. So you got this, you got cake mix. That's it. All right, so the birthday cake baking kit. So here's the mix. I have an egg. I'm gonna do milk instead of water. It told me to grease my pan, the skillet rather. Spray it. And I'm gonna put it in a pan so that way it's not spilled. So here's the pan. All right, so here's the mix. An egg. Some milk. It doesn't say how much of, it just say 1 egg. Mix until completely blended. And I'm going to, so this is the mix. All right, guys, I think I already messed up because it did not say add, it's too loose. I think it just said add an egg and butter. I added milk. I think this is already an epic fail. This is what we should be making. Guys, this is an epic fail. I think I know what I did wrong. Like, I put milk, and I think I shouldn't have put milk. This is what, this is what I have. This is what I made. What? In the French nuggets? And it tastes so disgusting. Look at that. Look at that. This is like, I'm not even gonna taste it. This is gorgeous.